Welcome back everyone. Today we've got something awesome to check out. So these are the Majorette tune-ups. So inside this box we have 28 surprises. We've got 4 metal cars and a range of various things to find out. So we've got metal car, tuning part, accessories, stickers, flyers, a collector's box and a collector's chip with chrome effects. So you can tune up your car. So yeah, these look very, very cool. So let's have a look at the back. Oh, spoilers! Here's some of the cars you can get inside the pack there. Obviously, this is like a blind box, so we have our different tiers. We've got the cool, the rare, the super rare, and the one ultra rare car. So yeah, very cool. And I think these are all licensed cars as well, which is even better. So yeah, and there is the ultra rare one on the side. So we'll see if we get that today. I'm not sure, but we can be hopeful. And also quick shout out to Fexdef. If it wasn't for his video on these, I wouldn't have actually known they existed, and I just thought they are so cool. So I thought, well, I probably won't find them, but I looked it up anyway, and sure enough, these boxes are 4 on Amazon. So I ordered a couple, we got one of them here. So yeah, these seem to be pretty accessible, unlike some Hot Wheels Mattel with their interesting stuff. But yeah, so let's stop rambling on and see what we get inside this box. So open here. Well, we will do that. We shall do that. So we open it up. What do we have? Oh, okay. So we have inside this box 4 more boxes. Oh, it's multiplied. So each of these will have a car and a kit to tune up the car, I suppose. So yes, this is series 2. I'm just trying to have a look to see if there's any kind of BK32. Is that the code? Would that be a code to say anything? BK29. So maybe they are codes to say which car is in which. But we'll just see what we get, won't we? We can't win everything now. I am super excited for these. I love sort of blind box type things. So let's hope we get something cool. So we got Tighten and Remove. Got all the same stuff on the front there. The awesome looking Audi, the rare car. Right, let's unscrew that. Open. Is it open? Well, I've just opened it up to see what. It looks like we got a chimney. I don't know how this works. That's Tighten. That's Remove. Oh, it's come off. There we go. It's pulled that off, and out comes the car. So actually, these are a bit different to the ones Fexdef had. These have the items in the box there, and here is the car with its little stackable container. So that's very cool. So there's the car, and there is the token, Little J. I only got all the stats down the side there. That's pretty cool. So let's get the car out. Oh yeah, very nice. Diecast metal. Got the Jimny logos on there. Some nice off-road tyres, all fully treaded up. Give you guys a quick look at the base. Yeah, that's really nice. All the badges are done. The light details. Really cool. And we've got front lens headlights as well. Awesome. So let's take a quick look in this. Open here. Oh, you've got to actually you've actually got to well, you probably haven't got to, but you can rip the boxes open. So in here we have not a lot, and in this one we have a body kit. So yeah, you can actually rip them completely open. Well, that's interesting. I'm pretty sure I thought you got 2 pieces for each car, like 2 body kits, so you could change it up, but they've only got the one. So well, that's interesting. Perhaps this is a different kind of set then. So here we have the different tune-ups here. Let's say even this one has two different types. You've got a sports car there and a rally car there. Two different body kits. So perhaps this just doesn't come with the extra, maybe that's saved for the rare stuff. Maybe you get more of the rare ones, I don't know. But yeah, here we have the Jimny. Actually, let's go through this. We've got the little stickers here. That's very shiny. Useful if you want stickers or want to put them on your Jimny. And you can just stick this on the car here. Just somehow it will click on. Oh, I see, it's going to click on over like that. Oh, pretty cool. Looks pretty nice. Give you a little ram bar and out sort of an external body roll cage, a spoiler and all that. And then you can get the spare wheel, plonk it on in there. There you go. Now you're ready for off-roading. Oh, that wasn't quite well. That wasn't quite well attached. There we go. No, that's pretty cool. Yeah, perhaps I'm wrong. Maybe you do just get the one. And of course, also you get these stackable storage boxes, which is very nice. Right. Okay. So let's open up this one. This is BK32. Gah, difficult to get into. If in doubt, trusty knife it out. Right, so we'll remove that. It's easier now, I know how it works. There is the car. Right, so we'll put them aside. What are we going to get in this one? Oh, we got the charger. Oh, that's cool. Oh, looks like this one will have a changeable bottle. Oh dear. Double checks to check it hasn't broken it. No, I think that is meant to unclick. That's a metal bonnet. That is a metal piece. That's why I thought maybe I'd broken it. That's cool. No, that's a changeable metal hood. That is excellent. So there is the car. Got some nice off-road wheels in red. Got the shark livery on the side. That's really cool. Nice black. Got sort of a roll cage in there, I think. Don't know if you can see that. Rear light details. Got the RT logo and the little Charger logo in the front there. That's really nice, just as a car. That is very cool. So let's have a look at the token. This one is another cool. Personally, I think it should be a bit, well, seems cooler than just to be a cool, doesn't it? So, what modifications can we get? Again, not much. So maybe you get more mods for the rare stuff, or maybe I just have bought the wrong thing. That's always quite likely. I think we'll rip these open. Yeah, do I want to keep the boxes? I don't know. I think we'll be alright with just... Do these have any, like, lids as such? They're stuck together like that quite nicely. But I'm just trying to think what's going to keep the car from falling out the front. That's all. I don't know. I don't know. So I think that's everything for that one. Let's have a look. So we got another metal bonnet there with some sort of like superchargers and a couple of turbos, I think. That looks very cool. So we can take that off and put that on there. The fact they are metal is so cool. So already we're getting a bit of a tune-up, and then we have a external kind of roll cage to armour it up. All kind of Fast and Furious style. Kind of turned it into a beefed up Ram Raider. Gives it the spare wheels at the back and the extra armour roll cage. No, that is actually pretty cool, and it gets some light bars on the roof there. That's awesome. And of course, we get a sticker sheet with this one. Majorette tune-ups. The Facebook thumb logo. Yeah, pretty cool. Is this the same? Yeah, that's the same. Right, next one. Let's get straight in there. It keeps trying to open up when I when I open it, which sort of spoils it a bit. So let's remove this. We'll slide the car out. Oh, we didn't look at the token. Anyway, back to this. What have we got? Oh, wow. Wow, nice paint job. Very green with gold sparkles. Wow, that's very loud. Nice lens lights, Toyota logo. Got some nice decals on the side. And there's the back, little tab, all the lights. Sort of like a minibus. Let's have a look at the base. Toyota Hiace. Very cool. That's quite nice actually. I'm not sure if it's meant to have suspension, but it actually feels like it's kind of, it even feels like it's kind of got suspension, you know. So let's have a look at the token. We'll stack that over there. I like how stackable these are. Oh, this is a rare one. Nice. Toyota Hiace, the Hibiscus. Another off-road one. There are the stats. So let's open up our modification boxes. These are actually really cool, to be fair. Like when I first saw these, I was like, these are awesome. I love them. I need them. So I bought loads. And let's be honest, I'm probably going to buy more. I might have a look up to see if I can find those 2-packs. Right, so we have, let's look at the stickers first. I think that's actually the same as the last lot. It is, same as the last lot, but yeah. And then we have this very bright chrome gold roll cage, or kind of modifier kit. So now we've got the full front bars. Got a little, I was going to say it's a snorkel, but there's nothing, maybe it is a snorkel. Got some lights there, spare wheel on the top, and then we have our holder for an extra spare wheel there. There we are, very cool. And a ladder on the back. Yeah, that's really cool. Look at that. Bit shiny, bit over the top, but there we are. But I was thinking, you could actually, if you didn't like the look of that, and it's a bit too gold for your style, you could easily paint this. Paint it black. I think that'd look quite nice, or gunmetal grey or something. No, that's really cool. So we've bagged a rare one, nice. Right, final one for this box. I have got 4 more, but I think we'll keep them for another video, just to keep runtime down. Gives people the option then, doesn't it? If they have the time to watch the next video, they can. If they don't have the time, they can leave it for another day. Right, let's get the car out. There it is. I don't know why I say let's get the car out. Let's just get the car out and open it. Let's have a look. So we have a little Renault into it. Oh, very cool. Got Blitzstein on the side. Some nice stripes and decals on there. Lens headlights again. Lens headlights on little models like this are awesome. Very bright yellow interior. A matte black colour scheme. Does that open? Does the tailgate open? Blue tack. Oh, the tailgate opens. Yes, Majorette. Yeah, look at that. The tailgate opens. Oh, that is awesome. Huh, that's brilliant. And it has all the rear light details and the logos, as well as all the side details. That's so cool. Nice. That's very awesome. Is this just going to be a cool one? Oh no, it is a rare. We have got a second rare here. And this one is a racing version. Nice. So we get a bit of difference. That's cool. Stack that up over there. Quickly get the modifications out of the packet. So there is our body kit. I think that's everything for that one. In here we have the tyres and the stickers. Oh god, they're rolling away. So let's have a look at the sticker sheet. Oh, same as last time again. Okay, so let's shove on the body kit. So is it just, oh, I think it slots in the top, this one. Bit of a tight squeeze, but I think it's getting in there. I think. There's probably a way of doing this. You probably want to go like front first, perhaps. But, does it go over the top? Oh, maybe I was doing it wrong. Who would have thought I doing it wrong? Who would have thought? Anyway, so that clips in there. That clicks in pretty well, actually. So it gives us a nice big rear spoiler. And all your cool body kit, some wide arches. Looks pretty good. It doesn't look too bad in black, actually, this one. And then you've got these rubber tyre accessories, which just click on there. So now it's actually got rubber tyres too. Very cool. Oh dear, that one's... I've squished it. Oh, I've made a mess. Oh no. Is it going to recover? I think the wheel's got a bit squished in the packet and it's not going on very well. Because I've squished it up once, it just doesn't want to go on now. Now wait, we got a new one on the front wheel. Oh wait, are they different sizes? Oh, I don't know. Doesn't want to go on this wheel. It's just this wheel. Maybe it's moving. There we go. Yeah, look at that. Got your what? Oh, that actually looks sweet. For something you just put on after, like after the car was made, and just to add on. That looks sweet. Got some like deep dish looking wheels now. The awesome tyres, proper racing slicks, wide arch kit. That just looks awesome, man. Can't open the boot now, but you know, don't need these things in race cars really. Wow, there you are. I mean, that is actually pretty cool. Yeah, no, chuffed a bit to them. Not only are they just a really nice Majorette casting, which are good, usually really cool cars anyway, like with all the lens lights, the details, and all the lights and things all done up nicely. You can also customise them with these attachable body kits, and you can sort of mix and match. Well, you could mix and match a bit better, as I've probably driven this into the ground now, but as I said, Vexdef had a 2-pack which came with 2 sets of body kits, so he actually had the rally and the sprint stage, and you were able to combine the two together. So yeah, I don't know if that's just exclusive to those 2 packs. I have had a look online. I can't actually find them. I can only find... all I can find is the single packs that come like this, or these 4 packs that are just 4 of the singles put together. Perhaps it's a special version. No, actually, I did find one. You can buy them from Majorette in Germany. I haven't actually looked into it. I think it's 16 euros, but I didn't look into postage or anything, so yeah. Maybe I'll look into it, but I say, these are very cool as they are. I say, if you want to check out Vexdef's video and see the extra bits he got, definitely go check it out. It's worth the watch. And yeah, for now, I hope you've all enjoyed watching. Of course, there's another pack of 4, which I'll get onto very shortly. So yeah, if you want to see that, do be sure to stick around to check it out. Like and sub for more, of course. I hope you're all doing well. Best of luck in all your peg hunts as always, and yeah, I shall see you in the next video, guys.